How you doing, guys? I'm here to talk about the Blackmagic Design's brand new 4K pocket cinema camera that they just announced at NAB 2018. Before we do, we're actually going to talk about their original model, and it's been wildly popular. In fact, it's outselling its other camera lines by far, and that kind of makes me wonder, why is such a small camera with limitations so popular? And I think more than likely it was probably the only camera of its price point that recorded in raw DNG. But now a lot of those limitations have been fixed with the 4K model, and they also decided to change the design. Instead of using an all metal body, which would add weight, they're actually using a carbon fiber polycarbonate body, and then by the time you put the lens or a cinema lens on there, it'll obviously add more weight. And fix has been the subpar audio with most cameras of that size, and it uses a combination of mini XLR. So now you have a dedicated port, which does provide phantom power. Also, some of the other ports, of course, the full HDMI port, and most interestingly, you also have a USB-C connection on this as well. Now, I'm speculating many things with the USB-C port. You should be able to provide power for the camera. Also, you're going to be able to record from the camera directly to a USB-C hard drive. So you're actually going to extend that recording capability to much larger hard drives. Now, you do have internally, you can record using regular SD cards and also CFast 2.0. Most likely, of course, since you can also record in raw DNG. All this comes at a price point of $12.95, and really, Blackmagic Design has wonderful merchandise, wonderful cameras. Their software is excellent as well. Of course, the DaVinci Resolve series. But I think they really hit it out of the park with this camera. It also provides for dual native ISO sensor capability, which is actually new to me. I didn't realize they do have camera sensors that have dual native ISOs. I'm used to just having one in my camera, or cameras, excuse me. Also, before the limitations with the original camera, it only did 1080p, and it didn't do any kind of slow motion. Well, this time the frame rates with the new 4K model can go up to 120 frames per second. More realistically, 60 frames per second, so you're going to get a much better slow motion capability. I've really been love Blackmagic Design, their products, and of course their DaVinci Resolve and Fusion, now version 15, which of course that video was popular as well, and I love that software, by the way, and I'm looking forward to updates in that as well. So give me your thoughts on this new Blackmagic Design 4K pocket cinema camera. Is it something you would think of getting in the future for your cinema filming needs? Great price point, and of course the original pocket camera. I know they're for about a year. They were actually selling it for $500. So if you can find one of those new, you can get a really good deal on that as well. Till my next video, see you later, and thanks for all the new subscribers. You guys are awesome, and till then, see you later. Thanks.